Hi, want to know how to enable or disable Tap to Wake screen on your Google Pixel 9 Pro? So, as a first step, we would need to open Settings on our phone and then scroll down until you'll find a tab name of which is System. Usually it's located at the bottom part of the whole list. Here is the tab. Now, we would need to open it and here find a tab which is named Gestures and also click on it. Here, as the next step, we would need to find a setting, name of which is Tap to Check Phone. So let's click on it, and here is it. Here you'll be able to see an animation how this feature works and also description. Now to enable or disable this feature, we would need to click on the slider. If it's gray, it's disabled. If it's brown, it's enabled. And now let's also test it. I'll turn off my phone and then double tap on the screen. And it has turned on because I have enabled Tap to Check. This is it. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.